Hi students, my name is Ruchika and I welcome you to Success CD's Education. Here I have important information for students of CBSE class 12th who study economics. I will talk about the board exam pattern and the structure of the question paper. I will tell you the weightage given to the different units and the design of the question paper. This information is available on the official website of the CBSE. Here you can see this is a 100 marks theory paper for 3 hours. Part A, that is Introductory Microeconomics. It comprises of Introduction for 6 marks, Consumers' Equilibrium and Demand will be for 16 marks, Producer Behavior and Supply will carry 16 marks, Forms of market and price determination under perfect competition with simple applications, this will carry 12 marks, and total weightage to part A is 50 marks. Part B, that is Introductory Macroeconomics. In this, national income and related aggregates will carry 15 marks, money and banking is for 8 marks, determination of income and employment will carry 12 marks, government budget and the economy will be for 8 marks. Balance of payments will carry 7 marks. And the part B also has a weightage of 50 marks. This is the suggested design of the question paper. Questions based on remembering. There will be 2 very short answer questions of 1 mark each. There will be 1 short answer, 1 type of question of 3 marks. 2 short answer, 2 type of questions of 4 marks each. And 2 long answer questions of 6 marks each. Questions based on understanding. There will be 3 very short answer questions of 1 mark each, 2 short answer questions of 3 marks each, 1 short answer question of 4 marks and 2 long answer questions of 6 marks each. Total weightage to this is 25 marks. Questions based on application. There will be 3 very short answer questions of 1 mark each, 1 short answer question of 3 marks, 2 questions of 4 marks each and 1 long answer question of 6 marks totaling to 20 marks. Questions based on high order thinking skills. There will be 1 question of 1 mark, 1 question of 3 marks, 1 question of 4 marks and 2 long answer questions of 6 marks each totaling to 20 marks. Questions based on evaluation. There will be 1 question very short answer of 1 mark. Then there will be 1 question of 3 marks. There will be 1 long answer question of 6 marks totaling to 10 marks. There will be internal choice in questions of 3 marks, 4 marks and 6 marks in both sections A and B. So in all there will be 3 internal choices in section A and 3 internal choices in section B. Thank you for watching this. We have similar videos on other subjects also, and do subscribe to Success CD's Education.